if you cut here, all the way down here, and make incision, take out some tissue, it looks more triangular. If a person wants rounder look, it's good to make incision around here and just turn it inside. That's preventing this triangular look. It's an important point. And this part of the nose is, it's a very oily and thick skin. It leaves more scars, which is, also when you compare with this part, it's barely visible. So that's why I prevent to cut this part of the nose.
It's so different.
It's a lot of swelling. It's really nice. I love it first.
It's perfect.
It's perfect.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh.
Hello, everyone. We are here with my beautiful patient today. She's very excited. Yes, very happy. We are very happy. We did our surgery 6 days ago together. She wants to have some change, some definition for the nose, but to keep it natural. That was a very important thing for us. And she was afraid to have like a very unnatural look. So what we did, this is our before. The bridge is quite low, which caused some less definition for the front view. So we want to make it higher, and for the tip part, especially when we smile, it explains a lot. But and when we make pressure here, now you see it's more strong. We use a cut lash for that, but it's really looking very soft and natural. And especially this angle is my favorite angle to improve this part of the nose. As you see, it's looking really very nice. From the side view, it's a beautiful change, higher bridge, not very lifted tip. Also, it will come down slightly with mounts. Then it's really giving natural nice change. With maybe 1 month later, 3-4 weeks later, no one will understand we had surgery. And also nostril reduction. If you want to keep nostrils still round, still looking natural, number one thing, you need to avoid over reduction. When you do over reduction in thick skin patients, it doesn't give us a good round shape for the nostrils. So of course it's a personal choice, but too much reduction on the nostrils usually gives unnatural result. That's an important point that I want to emphasize. And there's another point that even just after surgery, you can see the skin quality gets better, and you will see like a week later, the skin quality, which means now skin is a little bit oily, before the surgery, it will look better. It's something that we can achieve with surgery, and also we will give some medication for you to use after surgery to dry it a little bit. And very good point. Post-op skincare is very important. After 3 to 4 weeks, you can have some, some facial treatments for the nose skin. It works fine. And the other thing for skin is diet, anti-inflammatory diet, which includes not to eat junk foods, very salty foods, or very allergic foods. Sometimes, the meat products can exaggerate this oil secretion from the skin. So those diets are very important. And to rest as we talk. Yes, she had to do a lot of fitness before the surgery. so after surgery, she will make a good diet.
Yeah.
And we can rest, relax. If you relax, you are going to heal nice. When I see in my practice, when patients have negative energy before the surgery, like tight so much, it's stressful, and usually healing is not nice. So I really recommend to have some rest, give yourself some time. After surgery, especially a few weeks, is really important. So we need to change our lives a little bit after surgery. If you don't have like this kind of things, maybe it's not the right time for surgery. I recommend that just after surgery, give yourself time, have some rest, relax. It will give you better healing, and this positive attitude really comes with better result. That's really very important point that we thought. What do you think about this surgery? I mean, what is the part that if you're afraid a lot, you come, you know me, but you know our job, but you come a different country. So, how do you feel about this experience? What I'm really curious about.
Yeah, so I'd made the decision to come, and I feel like it was very quick and efficient. And you made me feel, you've all been so kind, but I love it here in Turkey because everyone's really kind, so it made me feel good. Yeah.
Great. It's good to hear. And in terms of surgery, what do you feel about the pain level, or
Yeah, the pain level for me was very low. Yeah.
It's also about the positive attitude. I can truly say everybody is different, but you focus on good things to happen, so it really affects positive. You take your cartilage back from you, and that I told you after surgery, just when you stand up, sit down, just move slowly. It's an important point.
Yeah.
And but for the nose job, it's almost not so much pain, maybe.
No.
Yeah. Great. So you recommend this to this surgery?
100%. That's what you want to do. Yeah. Go for
it. Very generous. Thank you. Thank you so much. And also with flights, we recommend our patients to go airport a little bit early for the flight, and take your time, drink a lot of water. If you go, for example, too far away, it's good to have 1 or 2 walks every 2 hours. It's important. Of course, hydration is very important, and have enough water consumption, liquid consumption, but not so much coffee, tea, alcohol. No, those can cause some issues after surgery. Thank you.
Thank you so much.